Hi crafters, it's Hannah from Handcrafted Creations. Welcome to today's video. This is the very quick and simple card that I'm going to be showing you how to make. It's using the In This World stamp set, which is retiring, unfortunately, one of my favourites. So you need to get it quick before it is gone forever. So I'm going to show you how I put this together. We're going to use the Stamparatus to get this perfectly lined up, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to try and do is use this image to make a repeated background. So I thought the easiest way for me to see if that's possible would be to use the Stamparatus, and let me think. Right, so let me zoom out a smidge. There we go. So I want this pattern repeated, this one, because it does line up. I'm thinking I may be able, it does have a straight line. I'm thinking I may be somehow be able to line it up to make something. So I'll just grab a magnet. That's kind of what I'm going to try and do first. I have to sort of think, how do I want this to go? So probably this way would be easiest, and then something like that. So if I start with it here, maybe like that. So then pick it up, make sure it's stuck, and then ink it up, and then I made it a bit of a mess, but that's alright. So I'm going to step that along. Oh, what am I doing? Step it along. Oh, I just had another idea. What might be better than this? Oh, what am I doing? Step it along. And step it along. Okay, so that's, you know, a basic sort of repeated pattern. But I did. Okay, so I've just trimmed off the bottom off that piece there, and we're going to keep both of them. So this piece is going to be layered onto a piece of dapper denim, like so, and this needs to be trimmed down just a smidge more because I want to see a bit of a gap. So I'm going to take it down to 1 inch, and like so. So that's just taken just a little smidge off. Can't pick it up. So, oh no, need to be more. Okay. So let's take it down to 3/4 of an inch instead. Let's see. Whoops. So I've got that. So I want to see a bit of a border, and then yeah, that's perfect. So that's 3/4 of an inch. Now, so then we're going to stamp on here, and for the sentiment I'm going to be using just add text, just a simple one. Whoops, dropped it. And dapper denim I want for the sentiment. Hopefully this will fit now that I've trimmed it. Oh gosh. think it's just gonna fit. Oh, just fit, and I stamped it a bit rubbish. I didn't ink it up properly. Now let's see if I can do this again, because I'm not going to use the whole strip, I just want part of it anyway. So let's make sure it is inked up properly. And I don't know if that's right. Let's see. Oh man, I knew I wasn't going to get it a second time. Okay, that's why we've got two sides of cardstock. Let's see. Is it gonna be? Oh, seriously? Come on. Oh dear, you know what will be better? I've got a scrap piece here. I'll just stamp it and then cut it, because I'm not going to get it right. So, stamped it, and then it was 3/4 of an inch, wasn't it? So I'll just trim it on here to 3/4. Ooh, just a smidge over. There we go. I think I need to clean this, it's a bit sticky. Right, now we've got it sorted, and could have done this on the trimmer, but hey. Boop. Okay. So this is just a very simple card. So I've got an Emerald Envy base, and oh, let me just grab a snail. And this is gonna go here. Like so, and then this guy we're just going to pop up in the middle. Oops. So a super quick and easy card that's not straight. Oh dearie me. Come on, there we go. Let's try that again, shall we? There we go, that's a bit better. So there you go, that's a very quick and simple card using the In This World stamp set, which is retiring, so if you want it you need to get it very quickly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.